I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm so excited to take you on a walking tour of one of the most beautiful beaches in Barcelona. The water is crystal clear and perfect for swimming or just cooling off. There are also plenty of amenities available for beachgoers. You'll find public restrooms, showers, and changing areas nearby, as well as a variety of beach bars and restaurants where you can grab a bite to eat or a refreshing drink. One of my favorite things to do at Nova Carey Beach is to take a leisurely stroll along the promenade. The boardwalk is lined with palm trees and offers some fantastic views of the beach and the surrounding area. You'll see plenty of people jogging, biking, or simply taking a stroll like us. As we continue our walk, you'll notice that there are several volleyball courts available for public use. It's a great place to join in on a game or simply watch others play. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try your hand at some water sports like windsurfing or paddleboarding. Overall, Nova Carey Beach is an incredible place to visit if you're in Barcelona. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, and it offers plenty of opportunities for relaxation and fun. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour, and I encourage you to like this video, write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.